Hi, I'm Emma and I got a Ninja Creami for my birthday. I'm about to be a Ninja Creami addict, I'm sure. And I thought I would unbox it with you. It's right there. The box is absolutely massive. The first thing in the box is this envelope. And it comes with like a how-to recipe guide. So we've got a few bits from there. I'll just show you quickly. But if you're interested in any of the recipes, let me know. And then it also has a product guide. That's handy. Okay, so then in the handy dandy box, another little box. Okay, these are some tubs. This one. A lid. And this one. I wonder why we've got a spare lid. 2 tubs. Ooh. Ah. So this is the machine. It's got all of the buttons. I'll show you a close-up. It also came with another tub, which is what the lid is for. This third tub there. That's where you make the different mixtures to put in, and then that slides in like that. Inside there was this little packet. Oh, it's the blades. Oh, those are important. Okay. Oh. So you take, this is how it comes, all attached like that. You click the lid there, that unpops the lid like that. And then we're going to put the blade in there, I'm pretty sure. Okay, on the top of the lid there is a latch. Pull that down while you pop in the blade and then just let that go. And then that goes back onto there, snaps in, and then it's ready to use. Okay, let's have a little look at the machine. So according to the machine, we can make ice cream sorbet, light ice cream, a smoothie bowl, milkshake, and gelato. And that's what we plan to do. So I'm really excited to have a go at it. I thought I might share with you the first go that we have. I think I'm going to make a sorbet and an ice cream. And then we can do some mixing. So I'm going to wash these and then we can get started. So John, who is missing, who was just there, he got me some extra pots. I'm making a lot of noise. These ones are so cute. This one's pink, there's green, blue, or like teal.
All ice cream.
And another grey one. So I don't know if we'll be making 7 today. But we could. Yeah, so I'll rinse these out too and then we'll come back and we'll make some concoctions. So these are the ingredients we're going to start with. So we've got some stuff for sorbet there and then some things for ice cream. And we're just going to see how it goes. Obviously this is my first go at this, but yeah, I want to see how easy it is for the first time and show you how the machine works and see what we think of it. So I guess let's start with sorbets because they're easier because you're just tipping it in. So we'll use the pink tub and we'll put in, my vision for this is for it to taste like Dole Whip or like a pineapple sorbet. So I've decided to do a hybrid of peaches and cream, which I guess would be like a creamier sorbet. So we've got some peaches. I found a recipe and I've forgotten it immediately, so 1 second. I've made up another base of peaches and cream, so it's a 1/4 cup of cream, a whole tub of peaches, like with the juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt, and I thought this one was like a nice hybrid between sorbet and ice cream. This one I think looks the worst, but I think it's going to taste the best, so we'll see tomorrow or in a second for you what they all taste like. Okay, so it's been 24 hours This is what the Kit Kat one looks like. I think we have to cut the top off, from what I can gather, or heat up a spoon and like flatten it down. So we're gonna do that. And then this is the vanilla one. That one's fairly flat, look. So that's good. So yeah, we'll flatten this one down and then we'll get it ninjaed up and we'll put some mixings in. You can still see like the chunky Kit Kats in there. Okay, so I'm gonna pop that in to the holder like that. And then pop the lid on and twist. How that turned out. Okay, we have to do one more spin. It's very noisy. We're doing this in the evening. It's definitely not an evening activity because it's so loud. John's had to take a phone call. Ooh. John's had to take a phone call outside because it's that loud. Okay, the respin is much quicker than the original spin, so that's good. Let's take it out and see what it looks like, hopefully. Oh, wow. Look at that! It smells like chocolate orange. Okay. Oh my god. John's gonna love that. Love it. Okay, it's time to see what the Kit Kat one has created. I mean, it looks good.
It looks really good.
Give it a dig in, John. I can see a chunk.
Oh my god. That's amazing. Good.
Yeah, it tastes like a Kit Kat.
It really does. That's amazing.
I mean, that's what I thought it would taste like, but I wasn't expecting it to taste that much like a Kit Kat. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So after using the Ninja for the first time, my thoughts are, the ice cream tastes exactly like it should. Like the Kit Kat one tasted like a Kit Kat, and the vanilla one tastes as close to a McFlurry that I'm ever going to be able to make at home. I guess the only downside that I can see is the noise. And I think like they're probably going to work on that and make them quieter going forward. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if there's any flavours we need to be trying, or if you're interested in getting a Ninja Creami. I will leave a link to one on our Amazon storefront. We just get a little bit of pushback from Amazon if you buy it from there, so we'll do that. But yeah, we're going to go and eat our ice cream, so we hope this is helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!